Welcome back, Mongo Fix. This Mongo Cobalt. Mongo got very many things to fix. Maybe start with tire. That tire very bad. Mongo pickup for $100. Story is engine sees. Need to look at that too. See what really go on, but no battery, so Mongo start with hook up a battery for Cobalt. Battery in trunk. Yep, no battery. For now, just put jump box. So need a ground, and we need a positive. Make sure positive don't spark. Look like interior panel need help. This manual trans got beeping. I don't think sees. Get all this crap out of the way. Put the cover on engine, because, you know, it got to look pretty. Let's see if intake clogged or blocked. Nope. That looked fine for a car that been sitting in field. Yep, bunch of crap from mice and chipmunks. Get vacuum that junk out. Exhaust look okay. Check oil real quick. That oil pretty nasty. Maybe they're blown fuse. All fuses look good. Check if there's fuel in there. Just don't look at it. Yep, there's fuel in there. Get good battery in there. Here's a bunch of batteries. This one look good. At least got 12 volt. That should be good for test. Something not happy. Maybe camshaft broke. Let's put a little go juice in there and see what that do, if anything. Just a little liquid courage for the car. Sometimes car that sit in field need liquid courage. Their ground bolt, well, that tab, that yucky. Little wire brush, little sandpaper, nice shiny copper. Oh, so shiny. Clean up whole thing, make very pretty. So pretty you won't want to use. What a shame. So it bolt up right back here. Always best work blind, so we can't see nothing. Then just thread in. Just 10mm bolt, so not too tight. We take out spark plug. Might be they never been changed. Spark plugs underneath these coil packs. Oh boy, they need longer bolt in there for sure. Hold down coil pack. Oh yeah. Definitely need longer bolt. Get this connector out of the way. Spark plug down there. Not great looking plug. Pull all out, clean them up, see if that helps. And they all look the same except number 4. This one very dry. I suspect intake cam is broken at number 4 and it not go up and down. And cam sensor, that's cam position sensor for camshaft. So if that don't read spin, then it won't send any power to coils. Get all the bolts loose. So there's these ones. They are. Sometimes a little knocky. Get her loosey-goosey. And valve cover come right out. Mongo no see no problem. You tell me if it spins. Did it spin? You tell me, right? So this confirm a couple things. We know engine not sees, because it spin around just nice. Camshafts move nice. Still not sure why cylinder 4 didn't have fuel on it. Could be bad injector, not sure. But Mongo put valve cover back on. we keep going. For funsies, we try again. Only because sometimes, don't ask why, but sometimes when you take everything apart, put it back together, sometimes it works. You know, the electrons and the juju fairies, they align perfectly, and sometimes it works. Find other ground way down there on that stud. It looked worse than the other ground we first take off. Clean up. We'll put that on, see if that helps. All other sensors, grounds, everything checking out. But coils still no getting any sort of signal from ECU. So suspect ECU bad, but it might be related to ignition switch. So first get recalls done, then continue. Now this car go to dealer, got recall for electronic power steering motor. And it got recall for key switch. And it got recall for ignition switch, plus 2 new keys. So they'll have to do some reprogramming and whatnot. Hopefully that fixed start issue. But we will see. Alright, we get car back from dealer. Dealers say they do recall. All recalls complete. They say they're low compression on all cylinders. They say coils firing just fine. Everything working just fine. ECU working fine. Just low compression. And timing chain loose. They say that's why it no start. So we give little go juice. See what happened. Oh, it tried firing there. Ignition switch was causing no signal to coils. Now that ignition switch fixed from recall, now their signal going to coils. So we have a little bit of fire there. Think that it jumped timing. Plan is Mongo pulled this out. If it got low compression and jump timing, probably broken timing chain guides in there. Be sure to join Mongo Fix for part 2. We take out engine. See what's wrong with timing chain and maybe do refresh, rings, pistons, bearings, that kind of thing, gasket seals. So that's coming up. So stay tuned to Mongo Fix. If you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo, thank you.